Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Toad Killer token. Now this is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. Ticker symbol is Toad. They have a really big market cap, this token. This is not a new token, this is an older token here. But this token continues to do well. Their market cap right now is $2.8 million. And they have a large liquidity pool in Uniswap. We're going to go over the information on the Toad Killer token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, there's been some popular Toad tokens recently. That's why this token popped up for me. I saw it on Dex Screener, noticed the very big market cap. Older token, it's about 1.5 years old, this token. Now, obviously, this token came out because of there was a lot of tokens that were popular, like Pepe and whatnot, that were based on frogs. So when, Doge came out, very popular dog meme coin. And then after that, we had Shiba Inu, which called itself the Doge Killer. There's been many Doge killers and Shiba Inu killers and Floki kill, you name it. And so now we have the Toad Killer, which came out 1.5 years ago. And if you haven't seen my video on the Toad token or the Acid Toad token, those are two very popular Toad tokens right now. And this one here, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. You could see they joined all the way back in May 2023. 1,067 followers, has a link to their webpage right there. Toadkiller.dog. It says, you know who we are. We already killed a dog. 12 posts, so, not active on the socials whatsoever. This is like an older meme coin. Their last tweet is from 2023. And they updated the logo for the token, which is basically the green fist there. But yeah, old token here. Now, their webpage, if you go over there, it says, Toad Killer, frogs becoming princes are just fairy tales. You know who we are. We already killed a dog. Send your frog soup recipes to Pepe@shib.io. It says, no real frog has been harmed in this process. Toad is just a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. Any comment is pure fiction, just like the frog's dream of overtaking dogs in the realm of meme coins. Then it has the contract address. They have a Dex Tools chart link, Medium article link, Telegram and Twitter, all linked on their webpage, toadkiller.dog. And a buy now button. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You would download a wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, toadkiller.dog, you would trade your ETH for the Toad Killer token. Now, they have here one Medium article. It's called History May Repeat Itself. So it says, Toad, the toad killer, will remind the world who is king of the animal jungle that you folks have created. The total supply, 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. 90% of the tokens went to Uniswap. And then we got here 10% going to the project wallet, 10 ETH initial liquidity, LP burned. You can verify that on their Medium article. They have a link to an Ether scan. They have a buy button, and then they have a roadmap, which is basically it's kind of a joke. It's basically a recipe to make frogs. So 2 frogs, approximately 2 pounds total, gutted and skinned, 4 cups of dashi, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup miso paste, 2 tablespoons wakame, finely sliced green onions, rinse frogs, and it keeps going. So yeah, crazy recipe there. And yeah, so not much Medium articles that you could read, and like I said, they're old, and so this has not been updated in a while. You could find the token on Etherscan, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, and Dex Screener. Now it says this token has 1,950 holders, according to Dex Tools. Their market cap, $2.84 million, $727,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. And not much action. There's still some trading, though, going on, like $2,600 worth of trades today. Token is up 6.9% today. Yeah, it was created 1 year, 6 months, 4 days ago. So not a brand new token whatsoever. Their quick intel security audit says no hidden owner, no honeypot, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens. Transfers are not possible, no blacklist, no whitelist. It does also say on their Go Plus security audit, 0% buy and sell taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage when buying or selling this token. You will have to pay some gas fees, though, so just be aware of that. Now, their Telegram is at the Toad Killer, 955 members, 123 of them are online right now. That would be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, ask questions, that type of thing. 18 decimal places on this token. So yeah, not a brand new token at all. I just thought I'd do a video on this token since, you know, there's been a couple very popular Toad tokens, and this one still has a big market cap, a lot of liquidity in Uniswap, but older token. So yeah, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the Toad Killer token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.